Alrighty, welcome to part 4 of the Unit 4B test. So this is the factoring part, everybody's favorite part. It's actually my favorite part, but you know, it is what it is. Some people love it, some people hate it. Okay. Alright, so 16 and 17, A is equal to 1, which means we don't have to do the big box method. And actually, I know some people know how to factor by grouping, which is another method you could use. Don't have to do that here. 16 and 17 are fairly easy to do. All right, so first thing we want to do is set up our two parentheses. Okay, we know that to get x squared, we're going to have to multiply x times x. Then we want to look at our signs and figure out if we're going to have a plus or minus, or two positives, or two negatives. So we look at our C value first, and it's positive, which means these are both going to have the same signs. Okay, so positive, if the last term is positive, my signs will be the same, so either both positive or both negative. So then we look at B. B is positive, so since they're both the same and B is positive, that means both of these factors are going to be positive. Alright, so now I'm looking for factors of 27. So what multiplies to give me 27? So I would go in order because you don't want to accidentally skip something. So we know 1 times 27. 2 won't go into 27. 3 and 9 will. And I believe that's it. So one of these pairs, if I add them, I'll get 12. So 1 plus 27 is going to give me 28. 3 plus 9 gives me 12. So we have x plus 3 times x plus 9. All right, if you want to check that that is factored correctly, you can always multiply with box method. So x plus 3, x plus 9. X times x is x squared. X times 3x, or I'm sorry, x times 3 is 3x. 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 3 is 27. 3x and 9x is 12, so you get x squared plus 12x plus 27. Which we check. Everything matches. That is correct. Okay. 17, same thing. We're going to go ahead and set up our parentheses. To get x squared, we do x times x, and then we check our signs. So positive C, the last term is positive, so that means our signs are the same. So they're either going to be both positive or both negative. Then we look at B. B is negative. So that means both of my, since they're the same and B is negative, both factors should have a negative symbol. All right, so now I'm looking for factors of 42. Okay, so I know 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 3 and 14. 4 or 5 won't work, but 6 and 7 will. And that should be it. Okay? And we need these all to be negative. And then we need one set that will add to give me negative 13. And that set is going to be negative 6 and negative 7. So our factored form is x minus 6 times x minus 7. And then again, you can check it using the box method. All right. Number 18. The area of a rectangle is 10x squared plus 41x plus minus 77. The length is 5x minus 7. What is the width? All right. So this is fun. Okay. So what I think I would do is I would set up a box. And I know I need a 5x and a -7 here. Okay. And since I only have 3 terms, I think I only need 4 boxes. So something times something will give me, or something times this will give me this. Okay, so what I would do is I know I need something times 5x to give me 10x squared. So 5x times something gives me 10x squared. Well, I know that to get from 5 to 10, I need to multiply by 2. And I also need to multiply by x. So we'll try 2x here. Okay. I also know that my last term should be -77. Well, -7 times something should give me -77. So -7 times, let's try 11.